Looking to relieve stress and anxiety? Yoga is a simple and effective way to help you relax. No special equipment or experience is needed, just focus on your breath and movement. Let's get started. Begin in lotus pose. Sit cross-legged, take a deep inhale through your nose, and exhale slowly. Feel the tension leave your body. Now, move into child's pose. Knees apart, big toes together, hips pressed back, and forehead resting on the mat. Stretch your arms forward and hold for a few deep breaths. Transition into tabletop pose, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Hold for 20 seconds, keeping your back flat. From here, flow into cat-cow. Inhale as you arch your back and lift your chin for cow pose, and exhale as you round your spine for cat pose. Repeat a few times. Next, move into downward facing dog. Lift your hips, press your hands into the mat, and hold for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply. Finish with a ragdoll fold. Let your upper body hang, gently swaying side to side, stretching your back. Roll up slowly to standing, take a few deep breaths, and feel the calm. That's it. You did it. You've completed your yoga session. Take a moment to enjoy this piece before continuing your day.